In this video, let's talk about the how we can use the icons in Bootstrap. First of all, go to the official websites of the Bootstrap and just scroll down here from the left side. And you can see here, if you scroll down, and you can see here, extend here, right? And if you click on the icons button from here, then you can get the different types of icon over here. If I scroll down, you can get the alternatives like font some feather and the opticons. And if you want to use the Bootstrap icon, then just click on the learn more about Bootstrap icon. And if you scroll down here, you can get the different types of icon over here, and you can simply click on any item here and you can use it, or you can search from here and you can use it by yourself. If I search the YouTube here, then I got this YouTube icon, and I have to click on here to use this icon and just copy this code from here and just paste this code into your VS Code. And also you have to copy the HTML code from here, right? And after copying this HTML code, and I have to run this code, clicking on the this go live options from here, and this code is running, and I got this YouTube icon here. If I need another icon, then I can again go into these websites, and again I have to do the back. And if I click on this learn more about Bootstrap, then here are the many more item here. And if I want to use this Android icon, then I have to click on the Android, and then just I have to copy this code from here, and then I have to paste this code down, and also I have to copy the HTML code, right? And if I paste this code here, and if I go to the browser, now I got this Android icon also. In this way, you can use the Bootstrap icon. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.